Hey, what's going on, guys? We're gonna be doing a creative video. We're gonna me and Charlie gonna be like 1v1. Yeah, we're gonna be like 1v1ing and all that stuff. So if you guys want to join, maybe smash the subscribe button and smash that like button. Subscribe to Charlie. Link in the description. Charkiebencic, and let's get right into it. So I'm sorry if you can't really see this. This is our first video, so when we reach maybe 4K, maybe we'll,
I think it's upside down.
No, it's from a different angle. So.
Oh, sorry, guys.
Alright. Wait, are we in playground?
No, I'm great up.
On who?
Mine, but I did it right
Here, guy.
Yeah, I think that's my mic. Can they see?
No, come here, Charles. Show my world.
Can they see? What?
They can't see yours, but they can see mine. Alright, boys. We're gonna me and Charlie gonna be 1v1ing. You have edits?
Yeah.
You dropped your loot. Guys, I'm gonna do a video right after this. I upload 2 times a day.
Yeah.
Maybe 3 if I'm lucky. Or maybe 3 if I want it. Still the gun you don't want in here. And guys, here's some of my 990s. Well, there's some of my 90s. Hope I caught that on camera.
So guys, we're gonna...
Alright, Charlie, let's go. Alright, so wait.
Ready.
So I'm gonna do shield.
How about that? Yeah.
Did you ammo? Wait, just
5 minutes. That fix a little bit.
No, don't. Keep. And I'm gonna do 20 minutes. There we go.
Okay.
Alright, guys, here we go. We're gonna do a 1v1 build battle, so. And then after this, we'll do best of 5, then we'll end it here. That will upload, then we'll do a duo.
Yeah. Do the 10 minute again.
Where'd my minis go? Oh, I didn't get minis.
There's one in here.
Oh.
Have this, look.
Oh, wait, can I have this? Oh, yeah, you got 2 of them, so let's go.
Wait, can I, well, how many damage does this cost? Can you respond?
No, it's 80. Let's go. You're not going to use that in the build fight anyway.
Yeah, that's messed up.
Charlie plays on mobile, by the way.
But I'm good at mobile.
Edit, please. Comment down below your username if you want to play with us. Wasn't even close. Comment down your epic username and we'll be able to play with you guys, but we have 8 subscribers. We're not going to get much views probably.
No.
Oh wait, time, don't move, just don't move, don't move, just don't move. Just don't move anything, just pretend it's still Build Battle Boy. Alright, go. Oh, yeah, Charlie's aim assist.
No, I don't.
Maybe do.
Yeah, it's trying to hold it. It's trying to hold it.
We're doing a YouTube video, Dad. Why are you brushing your teeth?
So you think? That's right.
We're in a YouTube video doing Charlie. Well, I forgot I had these. Stop using them all. Fine.
Yeah, I'm pushing.
We got all of it
Alright, everyone.
But
Get out. I'm doing a YouTube video.
in. Good.
I love you, Dad.
Yeah.
This game edit.
What's this, dude?
Guys, all I wanted to get is 10 subscribers and then we'll reach to 20K. 20.
What's up,
These
buddy?
guys. All I want to reach is 20 subscribers. That's my dream so far.
I have 20 subscribers, almost. Yeah.
And I'll do link in description, Charlie's name, Charlie's YouTube channel.
Dude, won't let me down. Dude, what? It's glitch. I put this.
Oh, it's 1-0. I already beat him, but like.
Hey, listen, man. Still, there's people right on
Oh,
that thing.
we won't be able to.
You
get
cannot
it.
yell.
I know, we're doing YouTube
You
videos.
can't let. No, because I'm leaving.
Yeah, I love it. Don't bang the bed like that. They won't be able to see. Yeah, we're just gonna be doing constant YouTube videos, and then, guys,
Dude,
you know what?
do
I
that.
promise you guys something. All right? If I reach 20, if I reach 50 subscribers, I'll do a live stream.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So that means that a live stream is like you guys can stream snipe me. You can do whatever you want. Stop building. No, you're overbuilding.
Yo. Alright.
What?
Depende?
What? Yeah. Bye, Dad. I love you.
But you can do any gun, okay? Except for getting
Sorry, guys. My dad's in the way. I'm still popping 90. Stop overbuilding.
You're doing it too, dude.
Shoot it. I'm trying to get high ground on you.
You're not doing it.
Shoot at me. You only hit me once. Alright, no more healing. Starting now. No more healing. No more healing.
We won yesterday on the tournament, right?
Yeah, yes.
We're not, guys, we're not lying. We actually did.
This edit can that be useful? Why do you use that? That's not even a gun to build out.
Good.
You kidding me?
Dude, where are you? Please no.
When is max height? Well, max height. If ever edits.
You glitch. You with the in the glitch.
1-1.
Dude, I love this gun. Whoa, dude, you saw that?
Sorry about the trash graphics, guys.
Look, wait, the gun is way over there. I'm not serious.
Oh my god. You guys can't even see it, man. No, I'm turning on the brightness.
Alright, peace out, boys. Remember, no yelling.
Yeah.
I love you.
Mikey's in charge.
It's too bright if you do.
Oh yeah, you wanted it bright, right?
Yeah.
No, you wanted it bright.
Look everywhere. Look everywhere. To walk. Just walk. Do high. Do high.
Oh, well.
Dude, it will go. Come on, we're wasting our time.
Shelly, let me give you some steak.
Yeah.
No,
Give me like bacon.
What else you guys want for any special
Time for juice.
snacks or something?
Little shout.
Huh? Ready?
What?
Any special snacks or something?
Pirate booty?
Oh, the chips or whatever?
No, I don't know. Yeah,
What else?
that's it.
That's all you want? What do you want for supper? I got hamburgers on
Taco, get tacos.
Hamburgers and hot dogs.
Get the good taco.
Let's go somewhere else.
You shoot it down. What are you doing? One.
Oh, they just burnt it over here.
Go better, let's go.
I know. I hope the thing doesn't go there.
What is it, raining out?
Oh, shoot.
Where?
Did it hurt you though?
Show the camera.
Guys,
it's
guys,
raining
I
out.
thought it was
It's pouring.
I like thunder, guys.
Could be a tornado around here, maybe.
Wait, come on, let's show them outside.
No, we're doing it. I'll show them a weather video.
We'll show them. Come on.
No.
Wait, let me go check. Wait.
Come on, Charlie. You guys, I'm just gonna pop them in and just let us know.
Wait, that's what I have to do it. How?
Yeah, let's start playing combat for them. That's good. And look what I could do. Look. You see that? Double stair wall underneath. And I'm on combat, no joke. Here's an edit. What? Yeah. Here's an edit right here. Oh shit, yeah, we're gonna shoot this. Sorry guys. Oh, that's hail! That's hail! Holy crap, guys, it's hail! Dad, that's hail!
What?
Where's Dad?
What?
That's hail!
What?
That's hail! Look!
Wow.
Look at it! Holy shoot! That's hail!
Hurricane or tornado.
Oh my god! No, how many don't
Oh, look at that.
Put it outside.
Yeah, Doug, look at guys! Holy, no, wait!
Damn.
Look at this hail! Oh my god!
They can't see it.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry guys. Oh, that's hail!
Wow, look at that.
Wait, I want to get a piece of hail and show them.
What is that? What's that?
Oh god!
Is that ice cream?
Guys, it's hail raining from the thing. Guys, look at it.
What is that? What's tails?
That's hail right
Is
there.
that rain?
Wow.
Could be a tornado, man.
Look at it. I see some, but let me see on my iPad.
God, it's all blue over there. But
The
like,
cold front rolled in here.
the what?
Cold front.
Guys, look at that. Oh, there's hail everywhere. Look at the rooftop. Oh. Guys, we're going to end it here. Oh my god. I'm going to do it. Oh, I love you guys all. Bye. We might have